In this video I'm going to show you how to create a list of sequential dates in Excel.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is a very useful skill to know, as it can be used for a variety of tasks, such as creating a schedule, tracking attendance, or generating a report. Step 1. Enter the first date. The first step is to enter the first date in the cell where you want the list to start. For example, I'm going to enter the date January 1, 2023 in cell A1. Step 2. Use the fill handle. Select the cell that contains the first date. Then, click and hold the fill handle in the lower right corner of the cell. Drag the fill handle down to the cell where you want the list to end. As you drag the fill handle, Excel will automatically fill in the cells with sequential dates. Step 3. Use the series dialog box. If you want to customize the way the dates are filled in, you can use the series dialog box. To do this, right-click the fill handle and select series. In the series dialog box, you can specify the date unit, the step value, and the stop value. The date unit determines how the dates are incremented. For example, if you select day, the dates will be incremented by 1 day. The step value determines the number of days to increment by. For example, if you specify a step value of 7, the dates will be incremented by 1 week. The stop value determines the last date in the list. That's it. These are the steps on how to create a list of sequential dates in Excel. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks.